Royal Scion Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma on Wednesday unveiled the foundation stone for a major 500-seater community hall at Makhukchara, Atharabhola. The project, funded by the TTAADC Government, is aimed at enhancing local infrastructure and providing a dedicated space for community gatherings and cultural events. The ceremony was attended by top TTAADC leadership including Purnachandra Jamatia, Chief Executive Member of TTAADC, CK Jamatia, former CEO of ADC, EM Kamal Kalai and others. Lamsogo nai tong nai jotto khabang dauk de bok sang anok ni logi Nelson Debbarma nok jotto na khawi khui lamsogo Chini Khorang ni mangpliwo chung tau phaisok paijak Atharabhola ni Makhukchara kamiwo tamningke oro tini TTAADC hapang bai katal khlai community hall oro katal snamjak mani no teino tini Chini Khachuksa Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma bo sak bai tang phai oro foundation stone oro lake laikya bini logio hanyo bini presence tongo TTAADC CM Purnachandra Jamatia bin logio tongo Chini TTAADC former CEO CK Jamatia apni logi executive minister borok tongo Chini sir Kamal Kalai song abakino chung oro taw nugui mano Chini background Khorang khanai tongo borok mall somne kaisa community song bai khe lam song mani rachamung bai panda chengjai tongo sing nugui man kharo tabu phaina borok foundation stone kholukmani yagulo unveiled khaiman yagulo tabu Bubagra song tabu dangso asuk lajak borok ta panda bahai sing no khungna baga thangai tong ambagi no soyo nai tong Chini Khorang. Addressing the media, Bubagra Pradyot shifted the focus towards the preservation of indigenous identity. He emphasized that the survival of the Kogborok language and cultural heritage is non-negotiable for the indigenous community. The event also served as a platform for TTAADC leaders to counter the state government's recent claims. Bubagra dismissed Chief Minister Manikya's assertion that more than sufficient funds has been sent to the ADC, calling the claims false and a strategy to divide Tripura and break the Thansa for BJP's benefit and political gain.
See, I think that if you want to preserve a community, then it is very important to lay foundation on our culture, on different aspects of our culture, whether it is cuisine, whether it is our dress, whether it is our language, whether it is the traditional things that we have practiced, even could be traditional sports, some music. So the best way of doing so is with the community coming together. And we from the TTAADC have believed that we have never, the previous governments have never paid attention in building community halls and places where smaller communities also need to get together for their festivals, for the it could be a cultural festival, it could be a youth meet, it could be a religious meet. So we have decided that here we will construct a 500-seated community hall, cultural hall, so that the people from the Malsom community can get together during their good times, during the programs, cultural events, religious events, and thrive as a community. So we have done that, and today was the foundation stone of this.
So language is a very crucial thing, and the fight for language is going on, especially Kogborok. When the government is saying they are suggesting for a new script for creating a new script, what is your reaction on that?
What script would that be?
They say a new script.
But they should specify, na, what script?
They have not specified.
So let them specify.
Like Chakma, they are coming with a new script for Kogborok. They have suggested for the intellectuals to come to.
So who are these intellectuals who are going to suggest? Tell them to give. See, intellectuals cannot be those who only agree with you. Intellectuals have to be also accepted by society. And if those intellectuals are there, let them please come and tell them that which intellectuals are going to develop the script for Kogborok. then we will decide whether we agree with these intellectuals. But from whatever I know, most of these people have agreed, most of our students have agreed that we would prefer a certain script. And let them appear for exams in that. And if you want to develop an indigenous script, let them do that. But till the time the script does not happen, let at least our boys and girls write in a script that they want to, which is a Roman script. And I want to know who are these so-called intellectuals. I mean, by giving people awards does not make them intellectuals. Every year an award is given. Awards were also given by the British to those Indians who opposed the rights of Indians. But eventually nobody remembers those people. They remember those who stood by what was right for the future of our next generation. And finally, I want to say something through all of you all, that I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, and I know that they have a soft corner for the indigenous people. And I do believe that if they are given the right information about what is happening in Tripura, they will understand the sentiments of our indigenous people. But there are some people who are giving a wrong picture to them, and I hope that they will interact with all of us and understand that our issue is not with individuals or parties, it's with certain groups of people which want to keep the indigenous tribes of Northeast and especially in Tripura deprived and keep us down, make sure that our children don't have a better future so that they can rule over us.
Bubagra, is there any report as of yet about a member of delegation, 7 members who have went for Delhi?
They've reached, yeah, they've got.
So is there any updates regarding the...
So once they meet the authorities and the institutions, they will obviously come back and have a press conference. I'm aware that they've gone to Delhi, and I hope that they impress upon the fact that our students should not suffer. If the students are already writing their answers in Roman script, what is the harm if there is an option of English question paper along? I'm not saying remove Bangla, I'm saying keep Bangla, but give an option for Roman script also, so that the students who are giving in their answers in English can at least read the questions in English. Otherwise they will struggle and they will not do well in the exams. This cannot be about politics. This has to be about solutions.
Bubagra, since the board and secondary examination is going to be on March, so is there any possibility for the adoption of the Roman script officially?
I'm Pradyot Manikya. I'm not the Chief Minister of Tripura. This question should be asked to the Chief Minister of Tripura because they make the decision. What I can do is speak on behalf of you, on behalf of our students. And if they don't do it, then it is a very sad day that because of some people's stubbornness, you are spoiling children's future. And that is something which I will find it very difficult to accept.
Sir, yesterday the Chief Minister had categorically said that money is being given more than what TTAADC deserve, but development is not taking place to that ratio.
Acha? Let him say it. How much money did he say this time?
He did not mention the money.
Because he's been saying different figures every time. So money has been given to TTAADC, but the work is not happening. What work is not happening? If the work is happening, it has only happened in the last 5 years that you're seeing TTAADC as most visible. Before that, what was happening? In the name of TTAADC, state government used to take money. Today, we have done a lot of work for our people. Today, why does the BJP want to fight for TTAADC? Because they see that there is potential and opportunities here. But the fact is that if the Chief Minister wants to only take us on politically and not from the development of the entire state, then that is very sad. Because I would think that as a Chief Minister, he would like to talk to his alliance partners respectfully and work towards a model of development for the indigenous people. But if he is going to only speak out against us and speak out to score political points, then I think it is very unfortunate, and I don't think that sort of political culture we should impress upon. I'm still appealing to the respected Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, come and sit and talk to me, and we will work out a better model for development. But you cannot bully us or arm twist us into doing something which will deny our people. We are not here to be intimidated. We would definitely like to have a conversation, but the conversation should be on the rights of the people and not on what he thinks is right and what he thinks is right for us. Because frankly, I think we know what is right for us, and we do not want to be lessened by anyone in our state.
But on the contrary, he said the partners should be like partners and not richer. And you have expressed of some health issue of someone.
I have not said about anybody's health issue.
No, someone age you have.
Age is of course a factor. India is a young nation, and we need young leaders who understand. See, today AI has come in. Today drone technology has come in. Today India is becoming a younger country, and you know who understands this the most? Our Honorable Prime Minister, who is actually looking at a new India coming up. That's why he says 2047. So those people who are in power today, who will not be around in 2047, should not be deciding for the youngsters today. And what was your other question? क्या बोला था आपका?
Preacher. The partners should be like partners, not preachers.
So first I thought we were brothers, now we are preachers. Mind makeup कर ले. हम प्रीच कहाँ कर रहे हैं? अगर हम सच बात बोल रहे हैं, हमको लगता है कि हम अपना बात बोल रहे हैं, तो पार्टनर्स क्या? पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम या पार्टनर्स इन डेवलपमेंट? वी वांट टू डेवलप द TTAADC एरिया, एंड यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स. आई एम अगेन सेइंग, आइए बात कीजिए, बच्चे का भविष्य के बारे बात है. जो बच्चे पहले से अपना परीक्षा रोमन स्क्रिप्ट में दे रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑप्शन रखिए ना. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बंगाली को हटाइए, आप रोमन स्क्रिप्ट का ऑप्शन दीजिए क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में, तो बच्चे के लिए अच्छा होगा. ये प्रीचिंग कहाँ हुआ? ये तो सोल्यूशन का बात मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
CEM Punachandra Jamatia echoed these sentiments, demanding absolute transparency in financial allocations. Jamatia challenged the state to produce a proper memorandum or budget sanction order for the funds claimed. The CEM revealed he has officially written to the Chief Minister seeking clarification on the budget discrepancy, but has yet to receive a formal response. Sir, kisah soal sekarang nahanyo edisi ni cong waribu gana uitong. Abon sekarang motha tai BJP ni alliance partner bisungo na kese keren koksil sal uitong. Oba hakeno funding no tuiceng Chief Minister personally bo tai GS bipin der mo bahanyo borok edisi no allegation do wene borok funding asuk rohaman asuk hundreds of crore borok rohakani saman abrong titam tapun controversy choli tong.
Belai ke hambai. Jadi TTAADC no fund rohamani to document tongo, evidence tongo, sanction memo tongo, memo order tongo. Ang je proper no sai tongo je borok rang rohamani jodi 6,000 crore 6,600 crore jodi rohai tong khang ke memo order phunuk phaidi jene bank account tong TTAADC CEO TTAADC ni account tong aro jaga check khaimena bosu credit ing phaika abo saimana bokhok bai je sai tong paharo phaiyo jeng to खोनाव बर' वाइसो चुंगे ऑडिट खाइजे नैने तामस नै रां आसर रहमानि छामं खाइजे ऑडिट खाइजे बो तो ऑडिटर जनरल सि साइमाने सेंट्रल ऑडिटर जनरल बो तंग स्टेट बो तंग बर' शेड्यूल खाइनो तामस नै राम डोनली ऑडिट खाइतों ऑडिट नि जे बर' ऑफिसर बर' तो बर' न साया ताने के ऑडिट इनखा इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी ऑटोनोमस बॉडी बर' बफ्र खाइने बफ्र खाया बर' नि इच्छा जों मानाबो खाइमे इनभाइट बो खाइमे जों इंटरनल ऑडिट खाइमानो फैयाबा बर' न जों इनभाइट बो खाइमे मानाबो खाइमे जे बर' ग्राउंड साइ तंग रां रहजाक साम खाइमे अमत जों नवैनो तंग पब्लिक रो नवैनो तंग सिने अकाउंट नाइ फेरि एडिशन अकाउंट आरो स्राय क्लियर पाइने जे अमता कम्युनिटी हॉल खाइमेनि दिनि न और जागा हंके तो 4 करोड़ कलायो जो तो कम्युनिटी नि न जों कम्युनिटी हॉल खाइने बागै या प्रेसाइ दं जे प्रति प्रासानि डेभलपमेन्ट बागै जों साम खाइयो आफ्रो हंके बर' एलिगेशन दं इलेक्शन बसकां कक साफायनाय फैयाबा प्रेक्टिकली बर' नवै दं जे एडिसि बसक साम खाइ दं
थाने मिया बनोगि मान कहनो चीफ मिनिस्टर काइसा बंग बीजेपी नि जॉइनिंग प्रोग्राम बनोगि मान काइनि जागाव अमा के एडिशन चंगमरि सकांग ono yang ni support ayang thangai dong ayang ni support yang phai dong takle bisni एडिशन चंगमरि बुम हाइ बखा थांgai dong
अमा तो जतनो साइमानो Tripura motha against phaifinai teibu majority maoini phainai confidently karon chini pahare je jaga thang aro jotono chini Bubagra ni loge tongani bagui ready khaija nge chung jotono saimano teibu chung ADC kaham samung khai tongmai no public rok jotono tong Tripura sarok joto si tong chung teibu seat kabang maoi kaplaik nai
Sir, paitheko okong kok sung naklayo tajing ni je funding ni edition ni je bor allegation de mani abnu tei lukurok no borok misguide khayo hunai allegation bor ruin tong amon tei chief minister bahai ke ba BJP GS no bum ha ki firam ro honai
na chung to chief minister no personally ang invite khaijak je edition 5 review meeting khai phedi 2 times letter rokha barbeli 3 times ang kok saka je review meeting khai phedi borok tak pajon to review khai phia kintu tabo election ni beskang wangke sai tong je edition je rang ro hojak mani samang khai jai bo to public no gumra khai ni bangoichi ang personally letter romani bu jodi document nai nai ke phunu roma borono je review meeting khai phedi chief minister no samani
Former CEO ADC CK Jamatia concluded by providing a technical breakdown of the TTAADC funding structure. He explained how the existing system often leaves the council under-resourced and debunked what he described as the state government's false allegations regarding the fund utilization. Edition chong mari to tai tal sa tal ni pore nang na thangai tung oba hakino BJP ni khakte bani ka kabuma bottle slaibung panda mothani yang te kabuma bottle slaibung panda obno recently miawo chief minister kaisa bong joining program mo kaise ti promote hone allegation jo mani tong je funding no te edition funding no te obno te taw phone kaise ke reng laiman paile obno bhage फिर
सीके बाबू बताइए कितना फंडिंग होता था क्योंकि एवरी डे आई एम हियरिंग न्यू फंडिंग्स
yes महाराज ना जेटा बजेट संग रहमने जेटा संग मान थाइ तंग मने तबक से त्रिपुरा राज्य ने बजेट हका 32,000 crores हका ADC area हका it comprises 70% of the total geographical area okay population wise 35% of the total population live in ADC areas so if we go by the ratio population ratio or geographical area we should at least get 30-35% of the total budget provision of the state. Then it comes around 15,000-16,000 crores. Okay, but when we submit the budget to the state government, they consider only 2.5% of the total requirement. Even the approved 2.5% budget is also not placed in time. Like for this financial year also 2025-26 total approved budget is around 600 crores. Out of that they have placed only 600 crores,
which is very less,
and which is very meager, very insufficient for making any kind of developments. But the state government is claiming that they have placed already 6,500 crores. That is totally false. So there is no proof that they have placed 6,500 crores. That is the issue.
Sir, in the end, would you like to send any message regarding the upcoming elections, and what are your strategies for the upcoming campaigns and all?
No, my message is we the Tripuras should be united. We should stand for the rights, for our cultural rights, political rights, economic rights, land rights, and as long as we do not get our political rights, land rights, cultural rights, we should fight together. Let us stand together. Let us fight for our next generation. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Again, we man kana jotona khabang takute buk sung oro Makhukchara Atharabhola ni Makhukchara thayo je TTAADC bai hapang bai o taklai bisini oro katal community hall samjang mon toini sungor panda nugi man ka sung oba kino Bubagra tayo ma ke sike Chini CEO former CEO hai kebab CM puno chona jamatia sarbai kok salakya am bagai nong no sungte ba updates nan bagai chaite oi tongondor nai tongne choi oi Chini Khorang. Report by Pradyot and Nelson from Chini Khorang.